Welcome back to Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve.
This is a podcast for every girl who's thinking of getting married and every woman जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है
Unfortunately,
and needs a place to vent खुलेआम.
I know all about that. I'm 40 years old, and as you all know by now, I've been married about 11 years now. And you know me as S.
And I am 26 years old, going to get married this year, and you know me as V.
So, in the last episode, we spoke about a very relevant topic forcing women to take on ghar ki responsibilities.
Yeah, which brought us to another very relevant debate, living with a high maintenance man, quote unquote, of course.
Yeah.
I already know, what that means. But I don't think I'm actually prepared enough to get into that space where, again, I live with a man. Like, how Monica says in Friends?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm going to be living with a man. That
Oh.
space of just knowing in your heart, no matter what that guy is, कि कुछ तो अलग होने वाला है अब मेरे साथ. I don't think I'm prepared enough.
Yeah, you're not. No one ever is. And you can't be because this is a very fragile species to deal with.
Yeah.
If you call them high maintenance, बहुत offend होते हैं. So you can't call them that also.
Yeah.
But it is the truth. Like for example, if you say कि भाई मेरे इतने कोई बड़े बड़े शौक नहीं है, मैं कहाँ से high maintenance हूँ.
Yeah.
But if you think कि खाना बस ऐसे 1-1:30 बजे आ जाता है टेबल पे magically, तो भाई आप high maintenance ही हो.
Yeah, it's not like that. What was that show what we watched as kids? जिसमें वो drawing करता था paper पे with that pencil, and then the thing would just appear. I think every man thinks that's
Yeah.
how their life is.
Yeah.
बोला
और हो गया.
आ गई चीज. That actually makes me think of something really funny. My friend recently got married, okay? And she lives in a setup where, of course, the in-laws are living in the same house.
Acha.
And he's a single child.
वाह.
Yeah. So, ideal situation, in-laws are very cool, very nice, very chill. But even then, of course, every couple wants their own space. So the husband told her one day, after getting married, I think 1-2 months later, that you do realize that I do want my own space one day. Which I thought
How
was...
nice.
Yeah, wow. What kind of a guy says that?
Yeah, especially a single child.
Single child, yeah. He said, I would want my own space where, I call it my own house, whatever. And to my surprise, my friend said, no.
What?
Yeah. And I was like, why would you say that? That's like such a nice thing for him to say.
Yeah.
She said, you don't realize what it's like living with that man. And I don't want to do that alone. Right now, I have the comfort of having the father and the mother with me, supporting me, or just like telling him कि भाई ऐसे नहीं होगा. Later on, it'll just be me. And somehow or the other, I will end up being in a situation where I'll just be like, bhai, instead of dealing with it, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Right now, I have the mother-in-law and the father-in-law support. And they keep telling me, bhai, isko rok. या हम बोल देते हैं. Because they're very good.
No, I get that. I completely get that. Because you know what you're taking on.
Yeah.
Especially because, like we said, women are told, they are taught how to manage a house and how to do the basics. So they know what goes into it. But to be living with someone who doesn't know, oh my God, that is a huge task. Imagine a roommate who doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
So, actually, from your story, I remembered something a friend of mine went through, and it was pretty much the opposite. So, when they got married, it was a given that the newlywed couple would be living by themselves in their own place. Both husband and wife were doing very well for themselves professionally, so they could afford literally, to live anywhere in the city. So they did. They took their own place. It was really nice, very open and all of that. And it was kind of rare for a couple in that age group to be able to afford living like that. And everyone of course, everyone was jealous also, but we also kind of admired it. Like, इस stage पे आके शादी करनी चाहिए when you can afford all this, You can afford to live on your own. So everything went great for about a year, couple of years or so. Everything was fine. Everything was all hunky-dory. Or so we thought. Behind the scenes, every time her husband would go out partying, or he would fall sick, or he would miss a call from his parents, or, just not show up for like a family lunch or something. Very regular things that kabhi nahi mood kara. बाहर जाने का with the parents, तो मना कर दिया. All of that, after they got married and started living on their own, came onto her. Because if he would fall sick, his mother would ask her कि इसको क्या हो गया, तुमने इसका ख्याल नहीं रखा.
Wow.
If he would not answer her calls, she would ask the wife again, her daughter-in-law, कि मेरा phone क्यों नहीं उठाता. One day she told her कि आप उससे पूछो ना कि वो phone क्यों नहीं उठाता. And she launched again at her कि this is all because of you. तुम इसको ये बोलती हो, वो बोलती हो, ये पढ़ाती हो, whatever. You know that whole thing कि मेरा बेटा छीन
Even
लिया.
when they did not live together, she still had the typical sass.
Yeah. And she would just land up, like without warning. She would just land up at their house and just stay there for like a couple of days कि मैं आ गई हूँ, मैं हूँ बस.
मैं ध्यान रखूंगी अपने राजे बेटे का.
हाँ, मैं ध्यान रखूंगी. Not even that, ध्यान भी क्या ही रखना है of somebody who's not there in the house only. वो भी if mother is visiting, he would be out कि मुझे रहना ही नहीं है घर में. I don't want to deal with this. So again, the wife, the daughter-in-law would be the one handling all of this because she would then be, कि in-laws को भी खुश रखना है, husband के साथ भी बना के रखनी है, तो वो बीच में पिसती रहती थी. So one day she decided enough is enough. I am done taking the blame for him and for all of his habits. She decided to move back to her in-laws' place.
Really?
Yeah. And it was not like it was a small place or whatever. They had a floor of their own, but it is still living with the in-laws. Going from the freedom of having your own place
Yeah.
to then going into a restrictive space.
But like, why? Why did she do that?
Because she was done with being answerable for him. So there is, like this high maintenance part came in there because he got married. He, like they did the whole thing कि हम अकेले रहेंगे ये वो, पर उसको कुछ आता थोड़ी था. He didn't know how to handle anything. Again, वही बात कि the cleaner is, they have cleaners and they cooks and all, but the responsibility is hers.
Yeah.
Even though she had a full-time job and she was working really hard, so did he. But he was not taking on all of this. In his free time, he was out having a good time.
Yeah.
While she was sitting and just, like planning the rest of the week and then taking care of him and then listening to tanas from her mother-in-law also. So it just became too much for her. And she decided enough is enough. I am taking you back to your parents' house.
Oh my God, that's so
Yeah.
cool. I think that's so cool.
Yeah, and it became easier for her because then she didn't have to be so hands-on with him. जैसे बच्चों को करते हैं ना कि you have to be really hands-on with this child. She didn't have to be then because the parents were there. And it was literally कि मैं आपका बच्चा ले आई हूँ वापस, please handle करो.
It's so stupid and it's so hard that women first have to go through the whole phase of like leaving their own homes to adjust in someone else's house and then to think of the fact that now they have to deal with the child.
Yeah.
Who doesn't know shit. And I think most men think high maintenance is just asking for too much. That, do this for me, do that for me. Now men have found a new clever way of it. They don't ask for things anymore. They'll say, मैंने इसके लिए मेड तो रख दिया, ये भी कर दिया, तुम्हें अब कुछ करना तो नहीं पड़ रहा है. बट बात ये नहीं होती है, तुम्हें आता नहीं है इसलिए वो तुमने चीजें प्रोवाइड कर दी है.
बिल्कुल.
बट कभी वो चीजें नहीं हुई या उन चीजों को मैनेज करना, हैंडलिंग लाइक सो मेनी.
अरे लॉकडाउन हो गया तो फिर
तुम तब तो बोल दोगे अरे बट अब तो मेड नहीं है, अब तुम मैनेज कर लो. लाइक एक्चुअली वांटिंग टू लर्न whatever is happening is more important than saying I've provided for it. You hire as many helps you want. Nahi, you learn with me how to manage the helps also. That's called being not high maintenance.
And one would think that something like this would have changed after we went through those years of lockdown and people would come to their senses, but no.
No, in fact, they've gotten worse now.
Yeah.
Even though they did that work, now it's like जब करना पड़ता है हमने करा तो था. लॉकडाउन में तो हमने भी थोड़ी हेल्प करी थी. अरे बट अब मैं लॉकडाउन लाऊं फिर से just for you to be a actual human being again. Imagine like that was the situation you're comparing to now.
Yeah.
But that's crazy. And
it's actually a little bit worse when you marry into a richer family. When you marry into a family that has always had more money than you, then it's even more evident that that incompetence is more evident in the men of the family because कभी ज़रूरत उनको लगती ही नहीं कि कभी ज़रूरत आएगी.
They solve their problems with money, right?
They solve their problems with money. They solve their problems with just throwing money at things. So it's never a concern for them.
Yeah, and it's harder actually because if you are let's say, not coming from the same background,
Yeah.
for you things are more logical. You plan things. It's not just you can just suddenly change and be like, okay, let's throw
Yeah.
money at everything that you're saying it for. But like, that's how they've been raised.
And that logic doesn't exist in families like this.
Yeah,
And
who have money.
that logic, that practicality then becomes an extra step, like unnecessary, you know. Why would you burden yourself with something like that?
Yeah.
My God, there is so much I can say about this, about just marrying into a family that is, you know, more financially well off.
Well off, yeah. But that's for the next episode. We'll keep
Yes.
that for the next episode.
Yes.
Before we end this episode, we actually asked our audience on stories what are the high maintenance qualities that they notice in their men. And then we would take a call whether we think it's high maintenance
Yeah.
or just like bare minimum. This
Yeah.
is actually a thing that's been happening on the internet if you have seen it. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah, I have.
princess treatment or bare minimum. We're going to reverse it and we're going to do it for men.
Love it.
So we're both going to read out the queries that people have sent us. First is, my partner expects fresh rotis for lunch even though he works from home and I work from office full time.
Oh my God, so high maintenance.
Do we even have to say it? I think, of course, it's high maintenance.
Yeah.
Why would he want fresh? Like, you're not his mom,
Exactly.
firstly. Secondly,
Why should his mom also have to do it? He's an adult.
yes, he's an adult. Do it yourself.
Or
Or
you like fresh rotis, make
make them. Yeah. And you're working from home.
Also that. Attend your meetings while bellowing a roti.
Bellowing. Yeah, women do it
All
all
the
the time.
Okay, here's another one. He doesn't help with laundry, but complains if his favorite t-shirt isn't ironed.
Oh my God, this high maintenance 100, like level 100. There is nothing that says more high maintenance than this.
Seriously.
Your favorite t-shirt isn't ironed. Okay, do it. DIY. Have you
Yeah.
heard of something called DIY? Do it yourself.
Also, I really love the faith in magic, you know? It's so pure, so childlike.
Okay, I'm going to read another. He wants some alone time after coming back from work before starting the chores.
ये तो ठीक है.
Bare
This is
minimum.
bare minimum.
Yeah,
Everyone
bare
would
minimum.
appreciate
Yeah,
this. a
you
little
would
bit.
also want
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Of course.
Like, take some time, 15 minutes up ghar aake,
As
before
long
even
as-
starting a conversation. Some people are like that.
Yeah.
I'm also like that.
As long as you do the chores that need to be done.
Yeah, you don't come up with कि oh shit मैं तो 15 मिनट ली और मैं सो ही गया, मैं भूल
हाँ,
गया.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं.
ऐसे नहीं. But हाँ, अगर तुम 15 मिनट ले रहे हो, then you're coming without a reminder.
Yeah.
You're doing them yourself, then that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, here's another one. My husband believes he's helping in quotes, when he babysits his own kids for 30 minutes.
मतलब आपने भेजी क्यों है ये query?
हाँ, ये पूछने वाली बात होती है कोई. बेबी सिटिंग एक तो पेरेंट्स करते नहीं
करते
हैं.
नहीं हैं,
पेरेंट्स
yeah.
पेरेंटिंग करते हैं.
Agreed. This is high maintenance as hell. Let's
Yeah.
head up to the next one. He doesn't like being woken up with loud cleaning sounds on a Sunday morning and prefers to sleep in.
ये तो ठीक है, I think. But again, there is a rider here कि उठ जाना फिर संडे को.
Yeah.
और ये रोज की बात नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Yeah. For a Sunday,
Yeah.
if he is helping out, I think it's bare minimum with a clause. I think bare minimum if throughout the week
Yeah.
he's doing similar, if not the same tasks as you, going to the office, helping you with the chores
Yeah.
and everything. And then Sunday, he's just like, both of us can ask the helps to come a little late and like just sleep in. Then it's a bare minimum. I think you should
That's
do it for
fine.
yourself as well.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. He expects appreciation when he cooks dinner once a week. Tricky.
Tricky, yeah. इसके दोनों टाइप के आंसर हो सकते हैं. एक तो पहली बात, वो वंस अ वीक क्यों खाना बना रहा है? अगर तुम पूरे हफ्ते बना रहे हो तो, अगर तुम भी वंस अ वीक बना रहे हो
हाँ.
तो ठीक है.
And if you're also getting appreciation for
Appreciation
your
for
once
it.
a week effort.
Yeah. Then it's okay.
Yeah.
But if you're cooking the entire week and one day you're just like, make some dinner please, and then he's like, तुमने मेरी तारीफ नहीं करी, तो वो काफी high maintenance है.
ये तो मतलब high maintenance into 100 ही है ये.
Yeah, I agree.
ये क्या सेम थे क्या, ये जो टी शर्ट अपनी कंप्लेन कर रहे थे
I
इसके
think
बारे
they're
में?
all, ये जो 3-4 कैटेगरीज थे, ये
हाँ.
सारे एक ही मैन को डिस्क्राइब
देखो,
कर रहे
अगर तो ये एक ही मर्द है तो जो एसोसिएटेड औरत हैं, अगर आप सुन रही हैं, क्या है ये?
हैं. क्या
क्यों कर रही हैं आप ये? Why are you
उनकी
going through this?
मम्मियों को कॉल करो और उनको बोलो क्या सिखाया आपने इसको. Do the reverse of what happened with your friend.
Yeah.
That you are doing this to my child, you're not telling him. You ask the mothers, what did you do with him?
You ask the fathers also.
Yeah, you ask the fathers also.
कि you didn't learn anything, तो आपको लगा नहीं कि आपके बेटे को
बेटे
सीखना
को भी
चाहिए
सीखना
शायद?
चाहिए. Agreed. Yeah.
Ridiculous.
That
Seriously.
brings us to the end of the episode. I hope you guys had fun.
Are you getting married soon? Or have you been married for a while and need a place to vent?
DM us on Auntie Eve on Instagram. The link is in bio.
Send us your stories and we'll figure something out. Or your high maintenance man hears this and falls in line.
We'll see you on the next episode of Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve with the next Kalesh. And remember, don't always be the good girl.
Or the good bahu.